Have you ever thought about how much our bodies know about us? What if the cells within our bodies store and remember more than just biological information? That they are libraries full of memories, experiences as well. This idea is known as cellular memory. But before we go any further, it would be imprudent to know the base construction of a cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all animals and plants. Though you may not notice a difference between cells, almost all cells are different and have different jobs. Understanding this allows for better comprehension of the facts later presented. Now that the basic composition of cells and variety is established, we can move into what cellular memory is. Cellular memory modules are the mechanisms that cells use to retain their individuality after divisions and the developmental process. Cells being labeled as just a storage for genetic information is just scratching the surface of what they contain. Cells have been proven to also be capable of storing memory. Memory of the cells is seen in all types of cells, from the immune systems to bacteria. For example, immune systems use molecular memory to identify different foreign antigens. These memories stored within the cells are used to influence the behavior and functions of cells. Sensory experiences can be stored and influence function and behavior as well. Body memory, or somatic memory, highlights how the sensory experiences and traumatic events are stored and how they also influence behavior, underscoring the role of implicit memory. Multiple studies have demonstrated that memories can be encoded and stored in cells. At its core, memory involves the encoding, storage, and retrieval of information. Memories have been found in organs that lack the nervous system, showing that they can experience and encode these experiences to establish their own behaviors. This was found by Flores and Leisner. Memories stored in these individual organs have been found to transfer between people and retained through the process of organ transplantation. Studies suggest that cellular memories can be transferred between people through organ transplantation. Personality changes following the heart transplantation, which have been reported for decades, include accounts of recipients acquiring the personality characteristics of their donor. This supports the theory of cellular memory by emphasizing the idea that cells outside of the brain could possibly carry and transfer information tied to identity or memory. While some more quantitative explanations of these changes have been proposed, such as the effects that drugs have on the body during surgery, none of them have much research or evidence backing these proposals. And this was written by Leisner. Today, I have shown you the relatively new research into cellular biology, specifically highlighting cellular memory. The concept of cellular memory is not well known to many due to its recency. Yet, its findings go in depth, showing that the cell is much more than just a building block of life and a storage of DNA. Cellular memory is an established function in cells, proving that they are capable of having memories, yet also creating them for various purposes. Furthermore, cellular memory has also been proven to be able to transfer between living organisms. Michael B. Lisner, one of the many researchers who you have heard from today, is a doctor and one of the leading voices in cellular biology. He is part of the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Colorado School of Medicine.